And now we are in the booth of Pampanga. Now it's their time to describe the products they have brought in.
Yes, our province is very proud of our furnitures and of course our lanterns. And for the food, we have the special pastillas made from the Carabao's milk and other delicacies, the pulburon from Sasmuan.
Oh, you have the furniture set was made in Pampanga.
Yeah.
Ano gawa ito sa ano?
Kahoy, tangile.
Tapos in-upholster na rin doon. Saan sa Pampanga exactly?
Angeles City. That's from Paula's Furniture.
At nakita ko marami rin palang kumbaga mga abrigo, no ha? Ito mga crocheted items.
These are from Angeles City also.
Yes. Tapos meron ding tablecloth. Kumusta? Ano pa yung mga... Sinong gumagawa pala nito doon sa Pampanga?
This one here.
Meron isang manufacturer. So, yung mga...
Giliana family.
So, ngayon, mga taong dumadalo rito, anong nahihikayat sila? Saan sila na-attract ng mga produkto?
Ito, gustong-gusto nila yung shawl.
Okay.
And then, they love the ceramics also.
Yes, it's beautiful. Tama nga naman, gawa rin yung ceramics. Pati ba ito? Furniture, dala rin ito.
These are from...
Wow, lahat na lang. Para bang nandito na ang Pampanga sa Amerika. Ano ha?
Pinatubo products.
Ayun, tingnan natin itong mga produktong ito.
Made from lahar.
Ayan, pakita natin sa ano. Oh, this is made, remember for the viewers, if you don't remember, we had this tragedy that happened in the Philippines, the Mount Pinatubo eruption, and they were able to do something positive out of it. Ito made of lahar.
Lahar and composed of lahar and resin.
Wow. Ito ashes ito.
Pinatubo ashes.
Wow, ginawa ng mga naninirahan doon.
For their livelihood.
Right. Ano pang naging produkto nila? Ayun, tinan mo, iba't iba. May mga souvenir items.
Souvenir items. These are the rocks from the Pinatubo. And these are the butterflies from the Pinatubo Mountains.
Para mga paperweights, ano ha? Meron din mga wood carving dito. Marami sila mga ceramic items. Pati pala itong halaman.
No, these are artificial silk.
Pati yung bases na yan, gawa doon. Oh, pagkaganda. Very good. Oo. Maraming salamat sa iyo.
Thank you, Awi.
Thank you very much. Thank you.